Hello guys, today we are going to talk about another functions which we can apply them to our GTK-label. Those are GTK-label set xling and so on, the second one the angle, and then we can get also this information once that it's set. So let's start with the first one. Let's see what the reference says about these functions. I don't know why I cannot search this function. I already tried before, it's not working, so I need to choose them from here, wherever. So the function says sets the align property xalign property for the label, so which means it's a void function, has two parameters. The first one is the label and the second one is the xalign, which says the new xalign value has to be between 0 and 1. 0 and 1. What this means? Well, I will show you. It's a float, so let's call this function first, just after we create our text, and the first parameter is our GTK-label, and the second parameter I will use 0.5. I want to show you something. Now I will call this function in the way it is, and you will see that nothing's changed. You see the hello text is right here in the middle, so this means xalign means that you can push from 0, starting from here to the end, so or from left to the right, or from the right to the left, how you want to call it. So I put the text here where you want to. Let me show you. For example, if I put now only 0 and I run the program, the text is on the left. You see it's starting just from here. Same story goes to if I put here 1, the text goes here, as you can see. So the text is here at the right, and of course the thing which you need, maybe 0.3, or I know which see it cannot work with it, of course. So as you can see 0.5 works, but it doesn't work 0.3. For this we need 0.30, which says conversion from downward to float, change the value. Well, let's use the F here, and now it's our text right here, which is what you need. I will put a 5 back here, and now I go back to our second function, which is this one. I will not search for it because we already have it here. Says the same story. Okay, copy it. I will put it here. I will copy this part again, and of course, because it's 0.5, nothing's happened with the text. There is no change, so the text is still in the middle. But if I put now here 0, the text is at the top. You see it's there. Same story goes to 1. If I put it here, the text goes down here. And of course, if you need to put it, like for example at 20 location or something, then it will be right here as expected to be. And that should be fine. Now there is one more function, it's very important, which is to set the angle of the text. What this means we will see. Let's search for it, and of course something strange happens and I cannot find this function. Of course I cannot, but I will just search for it here. GetLabel, no, angle, it's here. It says it returns a double, no, not a get angle, the set angle, we need it here. It is a void function which gets two parameters. The first one is the GTK-label and the second one is the angle that the baseline of the label makes with the horizontal in degrees and measured counterclockwise. What this means we'll see. Sets the angle of rotation for the label. An angle of 90 reads from bottom to top, and angle blah, blah, and so on. We are not going to read this story because we don't need it. We'll just copy this part here, and let's copy this part here to I don't want to type it. 45. So what I did here, I call this function, I passed it the label, and I put 45, which is a 45 degrees. And now watch how the text look like. As you can see, the text looks like this because it's at 45 degrees. Same things happens with 90, which means now the text is from up to down, you see. And if you do it like 180, then of course the text is all the way with the upside down, as you can see here. So the way you print it is the way you want to have it. So 0 and so on, it is the default one. So this is the story with those three functions. Of course, where the set is, there's a get one too. So let's see, let's go back, let's try with the first one where it says set. We need to get, where are you, there's one which we need a G float says. So we create a G float here, but I don't want to create, I just want to call the function the way it is inside so I will put it here. I'll say G print, because it's a float we need a F, and then new line character, and here we're going to use our label. I will just copy it to go faster, and so we can see exactly how it looks like. Okay, I run the program now, and as you can see we have it at 0.5 like was set. Let's go down to a ling, which is also a float. So this means we only need to make a copy of this, throw it down here, and then replace the X here. We run the program now, and says 0.5 also. And the last function, which is somewhere down here, get the angle, this time is a double. So by meaning we need to print J print our double. Okay, let's call this function here, and then the label also. I run it. Okay, I forgot something. Let's see. Of course I forgot something. Forgot the parentheses. I run the program now, and as you can see we have a 0 because we have a 0 degrees. Let's fix it by printing only 2 decimal points to be more precise. Not so precise but better. Let's change it to 45 degrees, and now when we print it we get our 45 degrees, as you can see. So this means all those 3 functions which we created here, which we were calling here, the first one was to set our text from the left to the right, or at the right side. 0 means left and 1 means right. And the second function here is for printing our text from top to bottom. 0 means at the top and 1 means at the bottom. And the third function here, we set the angle, the way the text it should be printed. So 45 degrees here, it is at this position. And then we've seen a way how we can get this information about how was set the link and the angle and so on. And I think this is everything which we needed to cover about these 6 functions. If there are some other questions about these 6 functions, please let a comment about it and we can talk more about it and so on. And until then, thank you guys for watching, and please share it with your friends, subscribe, and until next time, see you guys.